Hi, I'm Yash, and I'd like to talk about my experience with the Common Purpose Global Futures program. Firstly, a huge shout out to the entire Common Purpose team for brilliantly facilitating this entire event. I felt this event was one of the most enriching and exciting experiences of my professional life. And I'd like to thank the University of Bristol students who came here and immersed with us. I felt the interactions, the cultural exchanges that took place in our conversations provided one of the most important learnings I've had in the past year. And it helped not only become more empathetic towards other cultures, it definitely will go a long part in me becoming a global leader. The kind of activities that took place, the kind of exchanges that took place, the kind of immersions we did throughout the city of Bangalore helped me communicate my culture to the University of Bristol students and get their cultural opinion on it. So I'd like to thank these students for visiting us, sharing their experiences with us, and I'd like to thank the Common Purpose team, and I'd like to thank NMIMS Bangalore and our deputy director who helped facilitate the organization of this program and for choosing me to be a part of this wonderful program. Thank you so much.